Everybody, this is the demonstration of the project 1 for the course of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. For the entry page, when the user gives the title of an encyclopedia entry, for example, Wiki to Django, the content of the page will be displayed, and if the entry does not exist, for example, Germany, an error page will be present to tell the user that requested page was not found. For the index page, all the list of the encyclopedia entries will be displayed, and the user could take a look by clicking on the name of the entry. For search function, the user could give the query to look for the entries, for example CSS or HTML. The user could even give a substring like Python, and the matches list of the matches entry will be listed on the right side. For example, even with only end character, or the matches entries will be listed here, and the user can click on it to see the content. To create a new page, the user could give it to the title, for example, Apple products, with the markdown language. iPhone, MacBook, iPad, and clicked on add new. All the new content will be present right after the click. When user give the title which is already exist, for example CSS, an arrow will be displayed. To edit a page, the user can take a look on this page and click on the edit button to give more information, for example. And confirm the change. The new content will be displayed on the screen. For random page, the random content will be displayed. Thank you for watching.